what's up guys, back again with another video. So I'm going to teach you how to do more styling, but this time it's a different method. This is called internal styling. So let's get right into it. I think I showed you in the beginning, but to do it you go to your head. That's where it's usually kept, doesn't matter actually, but just go to your head and then create a style tag and then open that up, and then now you gotta start putting your things in. So let's say we're going to edit every H1 thingy, okay? So we put H1, whatever that's called, bracket, curly bracket, and then put your attribute now, or whatever it's called. So color, and we could say violet, that's a color. Okay, now we're gonna go here and reload. There we go, there's violet. Okay, that's pretty cool. So yeah, that's pretty simple. So let's say we want to edit, um, like we don't want to just do one different type of tag at a time. We want to give like groups of tag different attributes basically. I'll show you what that means. So we can create a class for that. So let's see. So to make a class in CSS, you do dot and then you gotta put the class name. So the class name in this would be, um, what should I call it? Let's just call it cool, because I'm cool. Okay, then we'll put in color. The color will be violet, like we just have right now. And then the background color, that'll be, you can make that tomato again. Okay, so now this won't do anything. See, so we gotta apply it to our tags, or wherever we want it. So actually, we'll put it to this one, class equals, and then double quotes. Oops, that's weird. And then get the heck out of here. Anyway, and then cool. Okay, so now we have the cool. Now we can reload, and now it'll have that. It's pretty cool. Get it? Cool. Okay. Anyway, let's say we're gonna put it for the whole body, right? Then we'll just do class cool, and then it'll override and create everything to that. So anything you apply the cool class to, it'll have those attributes and whatever. So let's do one more thing. We can do the font size. Font size equals 100, and then px stands for pixels. So that's the unit that we use for this. So I'm gonna say like a huge number. Okay, and then reload, and there we go. It's massive, like my Anyway, so yeah, if we look around here, we can find it. Uh, there it is. It's a giant letter. Wow, dude. Okay, anyway, I'm a nerd. So that's really it for internal styling. So the next episode will be external styling, which will be um, styling, but instead of a style sheet, like in a different file. So we'll get right into that next episode, and I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you liked it, and bye!